Namaskar. In this video I will discuss about guidelines for ensuring a successful practice. First of all, while practicing Yoga Nidra, don't aim at going deep. That is the greatest mistake. Try to be spontaneous, relaxed, and very much at peace with yourself. Even if the brain does not cooperate sometimes, this is not bad. Periodic distractions which come from time to time will help you in Yoga Nidra because they keep the awareness in a very alert condition and don't allow you to slip into slumber. If you feel any kind of tension during the practice on account of sickness, physical tightness, or some sort of mental disturbance, always remember that this is a temporary experience. It might be there for a few sessions, or it may be an irregular or frequent feature. In any case, you should continue with your practice. The next session is likely to be better. However, during Yoga Nidra, if restlessness or discomfort grows, there is no harm in moving your body to adjust your position, or you can even sleep a little. Care should be taken in the selection of visualization. The images used are often powerful symbols and can produce negative reactions in people who associate them with unpleasant experiences or irrational fears. Particular care should be exercised with images that evoke fear of falling, of deep water, being burned, or being struck by falling or overhanging objects. Where such images are used, it may be appropriate to insert reassurances. Although Yoga Nidra should increase one's awareness of the contents of the mind, this should happen only gradually, not traumatically. During the practice, if the mind is deluged with negative thoughts or images, try not to let them disturb you. These thoughts are an expression of the mental toxins existing in the deeper layers of consciousness, which seek a channel of release. By allowing free passage to these negative expressions, the practice may not be very successful in the beginning, but after some time the negativity will exhaust itself and tranquility will prevail. Some of the advanced practices may bring about a deep state of relaxation and meditation. It is very important, therefore, that the mind be brought out of this state gradually. An abrupt transition from this deep state to waking consciousness temporarily shocks the mind and may induce a headache. Similarly, some people become frightened by the depth of their relaxation if they are brought out too quickly. In either case, the subject should lie down in Shavasana and practice awareness of breath until he becomes calm. Finally, it is especially important that teachers avoid making negative value judgments, direct or implied, about a student's experiences. All experiences, whether apparently positive or negative, should be validated. The teacher should absolutely avoid statements of the type, "Don't worry if you don't see this," since they are certain to make the student worry. Students should be discouraged from idle discussion of their experiences in Yoga Nidra.